Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make card 3 of my series with the Truly Tailored stamp set. And this is card 3 that we're going to make today. Isn't it cute? So this was card 1, and then this is card 2. And I'll have the link to all the videos posted below this video. So let's go ahead and get started with card number 3. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. The Very Vanilla is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then your Night of Navy is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then another piece of Very Vanilla, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and that's all going to layer onto the base. Then we're also using the Night of Navy 3/8 corduroy ribbon, which is awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. We're going to use the Night of Navy again. And I'm going to bring in a piece of Very Vanilla. And we're going to use the Looking Sharp stamp again from the stamp set. Let me show you, in case you missed it. This is the Truly Tailored stamp set. We're using this one, the Looking Sharp. And once again, we're going to cover up those glasses with the bow from the designer paper. So we're going to go ahead and stamp the greeting, Very Vanilla. And then I have a piece of the designer paper, and I'm going to cut out this Night of Navy bow. My paper snips. Okay, so there's my little bow, and I'm just going to go ahead and add the dimensionals to the back side of the bow, and I'm going to use the mini dimensionals again. Those work really nice. Peel off the backings. Alright, now we're going to grab our tailored tag punch. You can hand cut this out, which I'm going to trim it down once I cut it out. And then I'm going to also punch out the Night of Navy with the same punch. We're going to go ahead and trim this out. Okay, so now we're going to add those together with the Night of Navy and the greeting. So I'm going to pop those up on dimensionals. Okay, and then we're going to take our little bow, cover up those glasses. Isn't it cute? Look how cute that is. Alright, now we're going to grab some designer paper. Okay, so this designer paper is from the True Gentleman Designer Papers pack. And this is in the Occasions catalog. Now this designer paper is not carrying over to the annual catalog. And it's double-sided. It's so beautiful. So, yeah, this is available until May 31st. And then, so we're going to take the tailored tag punch. And we're just going to randomly punch out 5 of these shapes. Okay, alright, now we're going to take our Very Vanilla piece. Remember, this is the 4 by 5 1/4 piece. And we're just going to go ahead and randomly add the designer paper pieces that we cut out with the tailored tag punch. First, I'm going to go ahead and layer these ones, this houndstooth one, right up along the edge of the bottom. Hopefully that's over enough. And then this one is going to get layered right on top of that with a little tiny space. Okay, and then the next one is going to be the bow tie designer paper. And then this is going to fit just like a jigsaw puzzle. It's going to fit right inside of there. And then we're just going to take our green layer and layer that at the bottom. We're going to trim all this out once we get it adhered. Then this piece is going to go over here to the side, just like that. Okay, now we're just going to trim this off and trim that side off. So I'm just going to flip it over and trim it out. Okay, isn't that cute? Okay, so now we're going to add our ribbon. I'm going to put some adhesive along the back side. And this is the 3/8 corduroy ribbon in the Night of Navy. I'm just going to wrap this around to the front. Just like that. Then we're going to pop this up on dimensionals and secure the ribbon down as well. Put my Got one right there. All right, then we're just going to go ahead and layer this onto the Night of Navy. And then this piece is going to go right here, just like that. We're going to take our little greeting here and just set it right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is going to get adhered to the Very Vanilla piece. Oh, isn't it cute? So, and then one more thing. I don't know if I showed you on the last video with this one, but I did end up coloring the bow in with the Wink Stella. So I'm going to do that to all 3 of the cards. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so there's your card number 3 in the series. Isn't it cute? I love them all together. It just makes such a nice collection of manly, masculine cards. Okay, so one more quick reminder. The Tailored Tag Punch is actually carrying over to the Stampin' Up 2018-19 annual catalog, which starts on June 1st. But it's available right now in the Occasions catalog until May 31st. And then you can get it in a bundle with this Truly Tailored stamp set, which this stamp set is retiring. But you can get them in a bundle and save 10% right now. Okay, so then here's the other one. All right, so I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.